is meant for educational purpose for explaining the students how bill is passed in the Lok Sabha. It is not having any connection with real life incidents. Good morning everyone. Myself Afan Faiz Ahmad. Today I am acting as a narrator and the speaker of today's activity. Today we have conducted an activity in our class to explain the students how bill is passed and amended in Lok Sabha. Over here, myself Afan, I am acting as the speaker, and from the ruling party we are having Khaja Huzaifa as our Prime Minister, Khuzaima Habib as our Home Minister, Sheikh Tahir as Transport Minister, Syed Ismail as Finance Minister, Faiq as Education Minister, Kareem as Defense Minister, Rizwan as Health Minister. Our Law Minister, Zidan Abdurrahman. From the opposition party, we are having the leader of opposition, Muhammad Abdul Muqtadir Khadri, and rest all boys are the members of parliament from the ruling party and the opposition party. Now, the speaker will start the proceeding of the parliament. Now, as a speaker, I would like to proceed with today's parliament. I would like someone from the ruling party to introduce today's bill.
I, Zidan Abdul Rahman, Law Minister of 10th B2, would like to introduce a bill on the topic of gender-neutral criminal laws, as males also feel injustice in the society. For example, in RTC buses, women get 0% charge of fees, but males get charged.
I stand before you all to express my full support in the favor of gender-neutral criminal laws.
I am a Prime Minister and I would like to speak with the permission of the Speaker.
Permission granted.
There are some special laws and protection for the women, like the Domestic Violence Act and the Harassment Act, and this is created an inequality in the society. Like there is no law for the men, like a Domestic Violence or a Harassment Act.
To represent here as a leader of opposition, would like to tell about the disadvantages of the gender neutral criminal laws. Let us discuss some disadvantages of the gender neutral criminal laws. Gender neutral criminal laws are aimed to treat all the individuals equally regardless of the gender. It has also some merits and the potential drawbacks to consider. Some of them are neutralizing laws. Neutralizing laws can shift focus away from the unique challenges which are faced by the women nowadays, and the disadvantages of historical. Women have been historically victims nowadays because of the disproportionate violence. Now my member of party would like to continue.
The given bill might conflict constitution provisions regarding protecting gender-specific rights.
Opposition as MP, the bill might conflict with constitutional provisions protecting gender-specific rights.
I have a counterpoint for opposition party. Honorable Speaker, I would like to speak a counterpoint.
Yes, you may continue.
According to the Domestic Violence Act 2005, focus on women. The Domestic Violence Act is primarily designed to protect women from domestic violence. There is no specific provision for men, which can lead to insufficient protection and support. Example: gender-specific legal frameworks section. According to the section 498A of the IPC, this section addresses cruelty towards women by their husbands or relatives. While it offers protection to women, there is no equivalent section specifically designed to address cruelty against men.
Speaker sir, I want to say something. Can I?
Permission granted.
There are legal issues for passing the bill. First of all, law enforcement and the judiciary might struggle to apply these laws, resulting in potential miscarriages of justice.
Well, there is a law that clearly states that women cannot get arrested from sunset to sunrise, whereas other side, men can arrested at any time, at anywhere. Well, do you think this is a justice? Do you think this is a equality that is happening in the India?
And gender neutral laws in criminal cases, especially violence, are harmful. Women are the main victims of these crimes. Laws protecting women are crucial. Ignoring the reality and making laws same for everyone will put a greater risk. So, different laws should be made for men and women to protect both differently. Thank you.
Exclusively help services. Support services should be available for all victims of all violence and abuse, including men. This way, no one is left out. Men also faces abuse. Men can be victim of violence and abuse too. It's important to help everyone who will suffer from these abuses.
I object. By implementing these laws, it will be expensive because it requires rewriting and reprinting all the
legal documents like laws and forms.
As a speaker, I would like to conduct the time-saving voting method, the voice voting. So, the persons who are in the favor with the bill may say A. And the members who are not in the favor of the bill may say no. As a majority of the voice vote for A's, the bill is passed, the bill is passed, the bill is passed. Now, the activity has been ended. We have seen how the bill is passed in the Lok Sabha. Now the bill will be passed to the Rajya Sabha for the further approval. Now I would like to conclude this activity by thanking our social sir, Muhammad Saqlin sir, for giving us these opportunities. I would also like to thank the members who have participated in this activity. Thank you.